Hello students, welcome to Mintu Maths classes. In the last class we have started class 12 chapter 1, that is relations and functions, and we have discussed about relations. A relation can be reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and if a relation satisfies all the three conditions, then it is called an equivalence relation. So let us take some more examples on it. So we are going to solve question 2 of exercise 1.1. Our first question is question number 2 of exercise 1.1. The question is, show that the relation are in the set of real numbers defined as, the relation is defined as the two real numbers are related if and only if a is less than equals to b square. And we have to show that this relation R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So let us try to find out whether the relation satisfies these three definitions or not. And now R is defined as AB, A is related to B if and only if A is less than equals to B square. Now check for reflexivity. Now you have to show that this relation is not reflexive. So you have to create a counter example. आपको एक example create करना है जिससे आप ये show करो कि देखो this relation is not reflexive. तो reflexive property क्या होती है आपकी कि हर एक element अपने आप से related होना चाहिए. But in case of real numbers, let us take an example of half. Half is a real number, but half is not equals, less than equals to half square. That implies half is not related to half, does not belongs to this relation. और अगर एक भी रियल नंबर हमें ऐसा मिलता है जो अपने आप से रिलेटेड नहीं है, दैट एम्प्लाइज योर रिलेशन इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव. सेकेंडली, लेट अस चेक फॉर सिमेट्री. नाउ you have to show that your relation is not symmetric. So first of all, try to create an example. Let 2 and 1, take an example of these two real numbers such that we know that 1 is less than equals to 2 का square. That implies 1 2, or the order pair 1 2 belongs to this relation. But 2 is not less than equals to 1 का square. That implies 2 1 does not belongs to this relation. So we have created an example जहाँ पर 1 is related to 2 but 2 is not related to 1. That implies your relation R is not symmetric. Next is you have to check for transitivity. Now you have to prove that your relation is not transitive. So try to create an example for this. Let us take some example where A is related to B and B in turn related to C, but A is not related to C. Let 3 is less than equals to, since 3 is less than equals to 2 square, 3 is less than equals to 4. That implies 3 is related to 2. Or let us take it as minus 2. 3 is less than equals to minus 2 square. So 3 is related to minus 2. And minus 2 is less than equals to 1 square. That implies your -2 is related to 1. 3 is related to -2 and -2 in turn related to 1. But you can see that 3 is not less than equals to 1 square. 3 is greater than equals to 1 square. That implies 3, 1 does not belongs to this relation. So we have created an example where A is related to B and B in turn related to C, but A is not related to C. So this is more enough to show that your R is not transitive. So your relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Now question number 3 is check whether the relation R defined in the set 1 to 6 natural numbers, as R is a relation where A is related to B if and only if B is equals to A plus 1. And you have to check that whether R is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. आपको ये तीनों definitions के लिए अपने relation को check करना है. So R is a relation defined on this set. Let A be this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And R is a relation from A to A such that your R is defined as this. Since your R is the domain is finite, you can rewrite R in roster form. When A is equals to 1, your B will be equals to 2. 1 is related to 2. When your A is 2, B is 3. When A is 3, B is 4. Similarly, 4 is related to 5. Then 5 is related to 6. If you take A as 6, your B will come out 7 and 7 is not here in the codomain. So R is this much only. Now to check whether the relation is reflexive or not. रिफ्लेक्सिव आपका रिलेशन तब होता है जब हर एक एलिमेंट अपने आप से रिलेटेड हो, बट यहाँ 1 से रिलेटेड नहीं है, 2 से रिलेटेड नहीं है, बट 1 एग्जाम्पल इज मोर देन एनफ. सो यू आर गोइंग टू गिव only one example since 1 does not belongs to this relation. So your relation is R is not reflexive. Secondly, for symmetric, now for symmetric, if A is related to B, then B must be related to A. Here 1 is related to 2 but 2 is not related to 1. Since 1, 2 belongs to this relation but 2, 1 does not belongs to R, that implies R is not symmetric. Similarly, you can check for transitive. Here, if one element is related to other and other is in turn related to another one, then there should be a transitive relation. But one is, you can see that 1 is related to 2 and 2 in turn related to 3, but 1 is not related to 3. So, since 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 3, but 1 is not related to 3, that implies R is not transitive. So your relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Your question 4 is show that the relation R in the set of real numbers defined as R is A is related to B if and only if A is less than equals to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. तो आपको ये दिखाना है कि ये रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव और ट्रांजिटिव है बट सिमेट्रिक नहीं है. So let us take your relation R as A is related to B when A is less than equals to B. So let us check for reflexive. Now reflexive property says that every element should be related to itself. Since every real number is less than equals to itself for all A belongs to real numbers, that implies A is related to A belongs to R for all A belongs to the set of real numbers. That implies R is reflexive. Next is you are going to check for symmetric, and you have to show that your relation is not symmetric. So let us create an example. In the set of real numbers, since 1 is less than equals to 2, 1 and 2 are two real numbers such that 1 is less than equals to 2, that implies 1 is related to 2, but 2 is not less than equals to 1, that implies 2 is not related to 1. Hence, your relation R is not symmetric. Next, you are going to check for transitive. Now, let A is related to B. That implies A is less than equals to B. Also, B is related to C. That implies B is less than equals to C. And this thing implies that A is less than equals to B and B is less than equals to C. That must imply that A is less than equals to C. And this will show that A is related to C. If A is related to B and B in turn related to C, implies that A is related to C. That implies your relation R is transitive. And that is what you have to show. Now your question number 5 is, check whether the relation R in the set of real numbers defined by A is related to B if and only if A is less than equals to B cube. And you have to check whether your relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So first of all, let us write your relation that A is related to B if and only if A is less than equals to B cube. Now check for reflexivity. Your function, your relation is reflexive if every element, every real number is related to itself. Now, but this is not true in case of real numbers that every real number is less than equals to B cube. तो आप कोई भी अगर एक फ्रैक्शन लोगे, let half is a real number such that half is not less than equals to half cube. That implies half is not related to half, and this implies R is not reflexive. Now check for symmetry, whether your relation is symmetric or not. In the set of real numbers, this is also not possible that one real number is less than, if one real number is less than equals to other, then the other will also less than equals to the previous one. So let us create an example. Since, let us take 1 and 2. 1 is less than equals to 2 cube. That implies that 1 is related to B. But 2 is not less than equals to 1 cube. That implies 2 is not related to 1. This implies R is not symmetric. Now let us check for transitive. Let us take three real numbers. Since 3 is less than equals to 2 cube, that implies 3 is related to 2, and 2 is less than equals to, आप ऐसा क्रिएट करो कि 3 बड़ा हो जाए उससे, 2 raised to 1/3 ले लो. दिस इज अगेन अ रियल नंबर, इसका क्यूब. 2 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू, ये 2 ही आ जाएगा. इक्वालिटी फिर भी फॉलो कर रही है. दैट एम्प्लाइज 2 इज रिलेटेड टू 2 raised to 1/3, एंड दीज 2 विल एम्प्लाई अब क्या इम्प्लाई कर रहा है, बट यहाँ से आपका ये आ रहा है कि 3 इज नॉट लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 2 raised to 1/3 क्यूब. 3 तो बड़ा हो जाएगा 2 से, सो दिस इज नॉट लेस देन इक्वल्स टू. दैट एम्प्लाइज 3 इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू 2 raised to 1/3. This will be an example to show that your relation R is not transitive. Your fifth question is, show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by your relation contains 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 1. And you have to show that this is symmetric but not transitive and nor reflexive. So let us start with your relation is 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 1. So first of all, check for reflexive. Your relation इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव. आपको ये दिखाना है, बट आपको ये शो हो रहा है क्योंकि योर रिलेशन आर इज फ्रॉम दिस सेट 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, 3. So for being this relation to be reflexive, 1 should be related to 1, 2 should be related to 2 and 3 should be related to 3. So since 1 does not belongs to this relation, that is more than enough to conclude that your R is not reflexive. Second, you have to check for symmetric. Now for symmetric आपको ये चेक करना है कि अगर आपका A B से रिलेट हो रहा है तो B भी A से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. And if you check your relation, 1 is related to 2 and in turn 2 is related to 1. Second element को अगर आप चेक करोगे, 2 is related to 1 and in turn 1 is also related to 2. So for all AB belongs to R, if A is related to B, that implies that B is also related to A. That implies your relation R is symmetric. Now let us check for transitive. And transitive relation says, ये property कैसी होती है? If A is related to B and in turn B is related to C, then A must be related to C. But here you can see that since 1 is related to 2 and 2 in turn related to 1, but 1 is not related to 1, that implies your relation R is not transitive. Students, अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इन्हें लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें। कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़। हैव अ नाइस डे। गुड बाय।